Hey guys, I'm Liliana. Welcome to my channel. In today's video is going to be a beautiful cake made out of Isomalt cake topper and lavender and figs. And if you want to learn how to make this, well, keep on watching. Also, if you haven't done it yet, don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Without further ado, let's get to it. really like how it turned out. It's minimalist, but at the same time seems like complicated to make, but actually it's very easy. Basically what you need to do is simply do strokes with your spatula of black or gray or whatever color that you want to do of buttercream at the bottom, and just bring your spatula up. You do that all the way around. And for the cake topper, it's an Isomalt cake topper, a cell cake topper, that's how they call it. Many of you, when I do these, ask me, Liliana, you never give the quantities. It's because Isomalt, you don't need quantities. There's no specific quantities to melt it. You just use whatever you want to use. There's no like a quarter, a third of cup. There's nothing of that. You just melt whatever you want in your pot, and then you use that. That's it. And you don't need to use anything else. There's no water, there's no nothing. It's literally the Isomalt in a pot, and you stir it until it's completely melted. But be very, very careful, because if you touch the product, you will burn yourself, and it's not a joke. It's like 3rd degree right there. You have to go to the hospital. I know some of bakers, they do it in the microwave. I know that when you buy the Isomalt, they do explain how to make in the microwave. I wouldn't do it in the microwave. The reason why is because you don't have any control of the microwave, but when you're on top of your stove, you can control and see where it's going. The microwave will just, your product is gonna go up, it's gonna go and melt everywhere. And like I said, you cannot touch that product. I'm telling you, if you touch it, like that's it, like you're burned. And it's not a little burn there. I cannot say it enough. And basically that is it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't done it yet, subscribe, comment down below, and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.